Impetigo. What is impetigo? Impetigo is a highly contagious, common superficial bacterial skin infection, primarily affecting children. It is usually caused by Staphylococcus aureus or Streptococcus pyogenes. What causes impetigo? Impetigo is a bacterial skin infection caused by one of two types of bacteria: Staphylococcus aureus, Staph, or Group A, Streptococcus, Strep. Staph bacteria are responsible for the vast majority of cases, particularly the bullous, blistered form. How does impetigo infection occurs? Impetigo happens when Staph or Strep bacteria get under the skin surface and multiply. The entry: bacteria enter through a tiny break in the skin, like a scratch, insect bite, or eczema patch. The attack: once inside, the bacteria release toxins that break down the protein holding your skin cells together. The result: this causes the top layer of skin to separate and fill with fluid, creating sores or blisters that eventually burst and form a yellow crust. What are the identification features of impetigo? Impetigo is primarily identified by its distinct honey-colored crusts and its location, most commonly around the nose and mouth. The appearance can vary significantly based on the subtype and the individual's skin tone. Its core identification features are: lesion location. Impetigo typically starts around the mouth or nose, but can spread to the scalp, hairline, hands, and feet through scratching. Characteristic crust. After blisters rupture, they develop thick, golden brown crusts, often described as looking like cornflakes stuck to the skin. Base appearance. Underneath the crust, the skin is usually red, moist, and raw. Progression. It starts as small red spots or pimples that rapidly turn into tiny blisters, which then burst and ooze fluid before drying into scabs. It has different features by skin tone. The appearance of initial redness can differ depending on skin tone. In case of lighter skin, sores typically appear pink or red, while for darker skin, initial sores may appear dark red, purple, brown, or gray, and the surrounding redness might be harder to see. Does impetigo cause itching? Yes, itching is a very common symptom of impetigo. While the sores themselves are typically not painful, they can be quite irritable and uncomfortable.